Wait, did I start filming? Hi guys, this is Afia.
This is Amran.
And welcome back to our channel. This is my cousin, and Amreen and I are huge BTS fans. So we thought, why not do a BTS Whisper challenge?
Yay!
So this is how the game is going to be played. One person will be wearing earphones and the other person will try to tell them a famous line told by BTS. So the person wearing the earphones will have to guess what the line is and who told those words.
I don't think anybody understood that.
You guys will understand as the game goes, because I don't think I myself understood what I was saying. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so we have our chits here. Can you see? Who is going to start? Me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to be guessing first.
I'm done.
I'm drunk.
I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
I'm done, Jungkook. Hi, I'm Jungkook. I'm done.
Hello, my name is Jungkook. I'm done.
It was so easy.
Everything. I know everything about BTS, so I'm sure I'm gonna win this challenge. So. PASTA pasta and PAJJJ pizza. Wow.
Okay, I know this. PASTA pasta and PIZZA pizza. Wow! Jin.
Not JJJ. JJJ.
PASTA pasta and PIZZA pizza. Wow!
Okay.
I'm very cute. I'm a loser. I am very loser.
Bye.
I'm very loser.
Bye.
Oh no, I don't know this. Let me guess. I'm very loser.
It's so easy.
Jin? Who is it?
Jeho.
Oh no.
I'm very loser.
I'm God. I'm God.
I'm on.
I'm God.
One more time, please.
I'm God. It's very easy already. Guess simply.
I'm on.
I'm God.
Oh God.
Oh God, yeah.
How you doing, man? I'm God.
Rap monster, not dance monster.
It's Rap Monster, not Dance Monster. Like RAP Monster, not
Okay, that's
DANCE. Don't be jealous, okay, that I know more.
Y'all know my name is Rap Monster, not Dance Monster. You know, it's RAP Monster, not DANCE Monster.
Ma. Can't put that.
Okay. Do you know BTS? Do you know BTS?
What?
Do you know BTS?
Do you know BTS? Suga.
Yeah.
You know BTS?
Mic drop.
Sit down.
Don't smile, I can't see anything. Get out. You can't do that.
Sit down.
Gin out. Take out. Sit down. We.
Oh, come on! Oh, sit down! Oh, sit down!
Don't worry, I'm not afraid.
क्या?
Don't worry, I'm not afraid.
Don't worry, I'm not afraid. Jimin.
Yeah.
Hey, Conan! Don't worry, I'm not afraid.
Okay.
Swag. Suga. Swag. Don't get jealous because I'm winning, okay?
I'm also winning.
Whatever.
Sweat.
I think this is my favorite one of them all because whenever I think of BTS iconic lines, this is the first thing I remember. So yeah. I was talking, no. Jimin,
Jimin, you got no jams.
I just said Jimin.
Jimin,
Yeah.
you got no jams.
Young Namna J.
Should I say this?
Why? Why are you laughing?
전 방탄이 아니었으면 저는 색소포니스트.
You know Pitam Nanwar?
What?
You know Pitam Nanwar?
You know Pitam Nurmal? Money. Right? You know Pitam Nurmal? Jin.
You know 피땀 눈물? 원는 만님만이야?
Iconic. I'm your hope. You're my hope.
I'm your hope, you're my hope. I'm J-Hope.
Yeah.
J-Hope.
I'm your hope, you're my hope, I'm J-Hope.
Jingle ke bangtan.
Beach.
Beach? Bitch? Jimin and V.
여기는 beach? Beach?
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun because we had a lot of fun. We really enjoy making such videos, especially BTS related videos, because we are huge armies, very devoted armies. What am I saying? Anyways, so if you guys want to watch more, please do subscribe, like and share. You say something.
Please hit the bell icon.
Oh, I've never said that before.
Please subscribe for me, guys. Thank you so much.
Nobody cares about you. We are going to make more BTS related videos, so please stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye.